We're in beautiful Almont, Michigan, my hometown. What the hell is in Almont? Us, right now. That's about it. So we're doing a big lot, and they don't have irrigation here. It's out in the country, so most people don't have irrigation in the country. People always ask me, can I grow grass over my system if I don't have an irrigation system? Well, that's how thick you got to cut your sod when you remove it. So we have a special sod cutter with modifications. I realize this is not something the average person can access, but you can take a flat shovel and you can do this. Look at that, big, big, big wedges. So, you know, you want that extra dirt. You know, it's about a 4-inch hunk right there. And then you got to leave your French drain recessed more. That way you can grow grass. Otherwise, yeah, it'll just burn right out. All right, guys. Until the next video.